I said, this stay right there so see if they can hear you first, though.
Slit. I ain't leaving this screen until somebody tell me we good. Shout out to my son, bro. He in the building, y'all. My man Jay Cutler, man. Let's get it, y'all. My bad. Once we got 10 again, we going in, man. Make sure we got them on here. As soon as I see one person say we good, we gonna get into this short and sweet, man. Short and sweet. Let's get this thing done. Reshare this if y'all can hear me. We gonna get into it. We good? We good? Reshare if it's all good. Reshare if it's all good. Reshare if it's all good. Reese. Okay, thank you, love. Thank you. Without further ado, again, this is Dash Resource. We are here for Sell Stocks Not Dope. We're here every Sunday, every single Sunday at 8 o'clock p.m. We are powered by T-ShirtKing247.com. If you guys are so inclined, please take time to hit this subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the updates, because my updates put money directly in your pocket. We ain't going to waste time. We going to get right into the business because we already did this. We just going to run back down it again. So let's leave out this view so y'all can see what's going on with your boy. Let's see. We just gonna keep it moving today. All right. So let's get into the price point for UMC. Let's get into that. My bad, y'all. We going back through this thing again, but this time y'all can hear me. UMC. This is one of my picks from this week. I got 4 out of 5. They say 2 out of 3 ain't bad. 4 out of 5 ain't bad. Like I said on the other pick, you can just average down on it, and then you know what I'm saying, the stock is almost surely to rebound. I like to pick good stocks. You know the slogan, we buy good stock on a bad day. But look at this. Where the lot of you at? Where the lot of you on this stock? You made money this whole week. I don't hear none of y'all complaining. None of y'all. This is UMC, United Microelectronics Corporation. This is just on Friday. So don't forget, you know what I'm saying, the market's going to be closed on Monday. So don't break your neck getting there. All right. Tuesday, make sure, you know what I'm saying, if you haven't got in on that stock, you make sure you buy that stock on a bad day. Do not buy it when it's overinflated. You are literally paying for the premium price, right? We want to get it for that Black Friday price, right? So let's move on to another one of my picks that went crazy, all right? So let me go through this pick one more time. This is Global Star, which is a Gsat, which is their satellite company that is going to be directly connecting iPhones to their own satellite. So once people heard about that merger, this stock has been going crazy. Let me show you what happened with it. So I told y'all to buy around this time. As you can see, it went crazy, right? This is where a lot of y'all sold. Y'all made y'all money, and there was a time to go down, right? This is where I rebought. So I'm now firmly still sitting up pretty, right? What you want to see with stocks are them creating stair steps, right? And if you see this thing starting to build up, this is what you want, because then you are now getting a new level of support. That basically the basement of the stock is the level of support. That means that when all else falls out, it's going to fall to the level of support. You want to buy around the level of support or lower, which if the support is broken, that means it's a whole different level of support. That's a longer topic, right? So let's move on into one of our favorite things to do, which is the Carma coin update. Let's go into group first. All right. So we're in the Carma coin group yet again. As you can see, the funny memes and all that. Shout out to you, Chris. All right. So as you guys are probably familiar with Carma coin, this is some of the people, that's the bro right there. I get beard envy every time I see him. Carma Coin is a charitable cryptocurrency where they give away supercars. Yes, they really give away supercars. If you own 1 red cent of it, then you are eligible to win the airdrops, which is $1,000 given away. They gave it away to multiple people. Let's see if we have it in here. Pretty sure we do. Let's get to it quickly. As you can see, I'm going to get to that. That's the update. But let's get to... There's just so many funny memes in here. I'm sorry, y'all. But anyway, so they gave $1,000 to multiple people. People are in here saying thank you. You also see on here another big thing coming up, which is we made it, bro. Look, we are on Yahoo Finance, right? This literally only started about a year ago. Shout out to Nicole for sharing the live, man. Look, I can give y'all love live. Thank you for sharing the live, love. So at the Miami Crypto Experience, right, where there's going to be a whole, a whole event set up around new cryptos and, Bitcoin and stuff like that. Shout out to Kim also sharing the live. So Carma Coin is up in the ante, right? While everybody talking about what they're doing with their crypto, they're going to have some guy up there with a suit and tie talking about what their crypto is going to do. We're giving away a McLaren at the same event. So a lot of people up there are going to love the fact that, that's going to be more exciting than any other crypto at this event. So to me, I see this already being super dope, but also now Yahoo Finance is now like one of the big major outlets for news and catalysts. So this is now coming across people's desks that never heard of this thing made right here in the backyard of Yellow Springs, Ohio, man. So this is super dope for y'all to get in here. And listen, if you own 1 red cent of Carma Coin, you can enter to win the McLaren. So you can get double good news on that day. You can see your Carma Coin price explode and also win a McLaren, right? The only catch on that is you have to pay the taxes on it. So do with that as you will. There's some other stuff going on here. There's another $1,000 winner. Here we go right here. Congratulations to our airdrop winners. This is how many people. 25 people won $1,000. You do the math. You do the math on that, man. You do the math, right? So a lot of people are lucky. I wasn't one of them. All this promote, not displaying. It's all good. I made it for the winning, right? So, but let's look at the prices though. Let's go here. Let's look at Carma Coin price. This is what you like to see. You like to see stair steps building, right? Okay, we hit a little dip, all right, but we're building, right? Remember, elevator up means elevator down. We like to build these stair steps up. So we're in prime position for you to get in, number one, and then number two, we're in prime position to make a move, especially with the good news coming up of the pending McLaren giveaway. And also we have Sexy September, right? Sexy September is where we are giving away later a Tesla. All you have to do to participate in this is to tweet Elon Musk. That's it. And also own 1 red cent of Carma Coin, and you are eligible for it as well. Yeah, here we go. Help us make September sexy, right? So once we hit a certain amount of volume, they're going to give away another car. We hit 2 million in value, give away another car. 5 million in value, give away another car. 25K holders, give away another car. You know what I mean? So this was going on, man. You know what I mean? It's good news. It's little fun stuff to keep you integrated with what's going on. You can grow with it. Let's talk about the new crypto, right? So on my previous one I tried to go to, let's do the Hexo update. Let's start there. So let's start with the Hexo update. Hexo, if we look at the price chart, is not looking the best. Where does it go? Here we go. We're going to go back to Hexo. And then I'll go to the next thing. So Hexo is down right now, but this is not indicative of where it's actually headed. Let me give you the reason why, okay? This is the reason why. This is one reason why. Hexo is also has a partnership with Coors Light. If you're not familiar with Coors Light, that's the drink your uncle get off of and he fight your other uncle. Like, that's what he drinking when it's a Coors Light. So basically, Hexo is in prime position for when they make the business merger for after the marijuana or medicinal uses of marijuana is approved federally, right? They already have a lion's share in different businesses here, but they're also buying up other businesses that are in competition. What does that mean? That's like saying Pepsi could be buying Coca-Cola or vice versa. They're literally buying their competition. The story I said when I was muted was the story of when Blockbuster had a great opportunity for them to buy Netflix, right? They could have bought Netflix straight out and they would have been good. Like, you would have saying like Blockbuster and chill. You wouldn't be saying Netflix and chill if Blockbuster would have bought them out, but they didn't. But what they're doing is they're going with a like acquisition first kind of mind state. So let's get into that catalyst. I'm gonna find it for you guys right here. Let's see. Let's go back to the news. Yeah, here we go. So this is the news cycle from the past week. So it took a dip because people didn't know how the red can was going to be done with the acquisition. So it was a bunch of threats from Canadian officials for them to say that they were going to freeze the accounts and stuff like that. So actually they finished the acquisition. So they actually acquired Red Can, right? So who is Red Can? Red Can is the Blockbuster of Canadian weed. Who is Hexo? Hexo is Netflix, or vice versa, where we can look at it, right? That one bought that one, that they're in the same industry. So that is really good for them, and that's really good for what's going to happen with this price point. So all we doing essentially is just waiting on federal approval, which, like I say, there's only so many ways we're going to be able to pay for this for, you know, our spending and all this stuff during the pandemic. And I'm telling you, man, weed is the answer, bro. I know it sounds weird. Weed is the answer, right? Because they can tax it. They can make money off of it easily. You already have a market for it. It's already been shown to make money. You already have different places in the United States that already have legal marijuana and medical marijuana. So to me, it's a no-brainer for you to get on some of these MJ stocks now before it get approved federally, because once it does, it's going to explode. And the last one, let's go to this new crypto, man. This new crypto of mine. Hit your mama from behind. All right, come on. All right, here we go. Here we go. CIS crypto. Google is your friend. All right. This CoinGecko is a very nice one to look for stocks on and stuff like that. Well, not stocks, crypto to be specific. This is the crypto that my man Bobby Long told me about. It's called Crypto Island. It's up 16.3%. But what your Uncle Dash Research tell you is elevator up means elevator down. I need to see this get punched in the mouth first, personally. I need to see this on a bad day. I want to buy a good stock on a bad day. I need to see how it's going to perform. As you can see, it's been only one drop. You know what I'm saying? I need to see what's going on with it personally before I'll invest. But it looks good at this point. The volume's kind of low. So we're going to see what goes on with that. Without further ado, let me make sure y'all can hear me this time before I get up off the... Yeah. All right, y'all. So, man, make sure before we get up out of here, you know what I'm saying, y'all don't forget to go to my YouTube page. Don't hit the unsubscribe. I'm just showing you how to do it again, because some of y'all funny. Y'all go unsubscribe just trying to be funny. Okay, so subscribe, because some of y'all got jokes. And hit all, man, so you get all the notifications so you don't miss anything. You can get my 3 picks a day, and I choose 1 out of 3. So if you're smart, every pick I add on here, you should add to your watch list. Doesn't that make sense? Right? So if I add these 3 picks, add them 3 to your watch list, and you buy one of these on the, you know what I'm saying, on a bad day. One of these 3. You know what I mean? So, man, we're moving, man. Everything's going good. If you guys do not know, we are sponsored by T-Shirt Kings. We have so much things going on with the Legendary People podcast, but I'm still making my time to make sure I make time for y'all. That is real love, y'all. So you can show your love back by going here and not unsubscribing, subscribing. So yeah, without further ado, it's Sell Stocks Not Dope. We're here every single Sunday. We are powered by thefuturetechstore.com and in conjunction with tshirtking247.com. Welcome to the cool table. Look, I did it again, Jay. What's up, man? What's up? What's up? What's up, bro? I got my son in here. All right, y'all. It's lit. Reshare this broadcast, please. All right, well, here we go. There we go. Stop it.